Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You must start with consent. Without it, you stop. Once you have permission, make sure both phones have location services on and Wi-Fi or cellular enabled so GPS can report. Sign into the same ecosystem or set up a family group, Apple ID for iPhone, Google account for Android, then install and open the official location sharing app. This step sets authentication and permissions. Do it now so the phone can securely share coordinates with your account. Once done with accounts and apps, walk the other person through granting sharing permissions. On iPhone, choose Share My Location and Find My. On Android, open location sharing in Google Maps or Family Link. Make sure they pick who can see their location and for how long. Temporary options reduce risks. Also disable battery optimizations and allow background location so updates continue. You're configuring both access and reliability. This prevents intermittent or stale position reports. Now verify that the shared location appears on your device and on the other phone's app. Have them walk a short distance. This confirms GPS fixes and update intervals. If you see no updates, make sure location mode is high accuracy, cellular or Wi-Fi is active, and the app has background permissions. Also check airplane mode, VPN, and correct date/time. Finally, remember you can stop sharing or reauthorize at any time. Always prioritize.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.